What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm back, you guys, with yet another online shop with me. Today's video is going to be focusing on items that you can find on fivebelow.com. They have a variety of items from $1 to $5. And a lot of these items, well, most of these items are also found in stores. But I know many of you don't have one of these in your area, which is why I'm doing these online shop with me's, so that everyone can know what's new and cute and what's a great deal and you know what to be on the lookout for this summer, so that we all can have the same opportunity and the same access to all the same things. Sometimes stores have things and maybe yours won't. But when it comes to online, we all have the same opportunity. So I'm going to share about 15 items with you guys that I think are really, really nice items that I think are worth the money and that I think are going to be perfect for this summer. So let's go ahead and hop into this Five Below online shop with me. Here's the first item. You can choose either a palm frond or a watermelon die cut outdoor mat, and I haven't seen these in stores at all. These cost $4. These are, I'm gonna say, mostly online, but I just think these are so perfect for summertime. I had to throw this in to this shop with me because I am just so loving the tropical vibe. I love the little lime and lemon and banana and watermelon slices that I've seen in different stores, the little indoor, outdoor pillows. I think they're so perfect for the real tropical vibe and like luau themed party and outside decor. Perfect for the patio, perfect for the house or in your daughter's bedroom. I just think this was so cute. And then these Aztec printed sequin pillows really caught my eye. These are 14-inch pillows. They're really big. I love the blues. I love the peaches. I'm thinking you can probably, you know, rub the sequins one way, rub them the other way, but I'm not sure because I haven't seen these in store yet. These pillows are definitely offered online before being in all the stores, but I just really love the color palette here. And again, it has that really nice southwestern vibe. You guys know I love that. I love the cactus. I love the desert theme. Anyways, I thought these were really pretty, and I think their pillows are just great quality. I really love their throw blankets. All of them that I've seen in the stores, they're so plush, they're so silky, and they're always so trendy. Like this little kitty unicorn, I saw this one in the store the other day, and it kind of reminds me of Pusheen, and it also reminds me of that little graphic that we were seeing in Target's Dollar Spot. But they always have super trendy throw blankets. They're 50-inch by 60-inch. They're always $5, and they always have a lot to choose from. I thought this outdoor festival blanket was a really nice deal. I thought it would be perfect for the beach, for the pool, for parades, festivals, picnics, barbecues, a trip to the park. I thought these were a really nice deal. I really like the fringe on the ends and the bright color palette, and I also like the little strap. I think they come with the straps. Next we have a mermaid tail pool float. It measures 72 inches by 35 inches. I thought this was a really great deal for $5. Most of the pool floats I see elsewhere are no cheaper than $7, so this is definitely a great deal. This is the Explorer inflatable pool float boat. It measures 58 inches by 33 inches by 14 inches. I love that it has the handles on the side. And you know, I'm sure this isn't for larger kids or adults, but imagine how much fun this would be sitting your toddler inside, holding on to them, pushing it around, giving them a little boat ride in your pool. I thought that was just such a great deal. And speaking of great deals, I mean, you can't beat this deal here. An NBA Spalding basketball for $5. That is such an amazing deal, but you guys, like it says here, make sure that you have the needle and the pump because they do ship all their balls deflated. They really have a nice selection of balls in there for kids. They have a dribble zone. They're all super cute and trendy. They look nice. They have some basic ones like the basketballs. They definitely have a lot in this department. Let's go ahead and look at just a few basic tech items, you guys. I thought these twist and hold phone grips and phone stands for $5 was a really nice deal. I know we can find these all over the place, but I have to say this is probably the cheapest that I've seen anywhere. Plus, we have a lot of cute little prints to choose from. I have been debating getting one of these. I saw a unicorn one. I saw just so many in the store as well. And again, they're just $5. I think they're super cute. I think this is such a great deal to be able to get MFI certified products for your iPhones, your iPads, your iPods for just $5. This is an amazing deal. I've been paying $9 at Target in their dollar spot. And I know Walmart has a 2-pack that's around $9, but I had problems with those right away. So I think this is a really, really nice deal. I mean, they have so many tech toys and phone gadgets and cases. This right here is a power bank. To those of you that like to use your phone a lot, that like to stream videos, or maybe you're a YouTuber and you like to live stream, I really rely on these. I think it's a great deal. Again, I love the tropical prints. I have 4 or 5 power banks that I've been using, and I really, really rely on them when I live stream. I mean, these are a lifesaver. With summertime almost here, I wanted to share some birthday ideas, perfect for slumber parties and girls' birthdays, or if you just have some extra time to spend with your daughter or your nieces or your granddaughter. They have a really, really nice variety of kits in the store, and they have quite a few online as well. I thought this one sounded really fun. Make your own glitter roller perfume kit. My daughter loves kits like this. And then we have a DIY galactic lip gloss kit, which sounds really fun. And I think these kits are just priced really well. Birdy has gotten many kits over the years. A lot of them are like $10 and up, or around about $20. So to be able to get a kit, even though it's small, for $5, I think is a really, really nice price point. The girls can have fun, they can create. We all love to create. I think these would make a great birthday gift, Christmas gift, you name it. Here's another one. This is the Sleepover Squad Deluxe Spa Kits. Perfect for slumber parties, sleepovers, pedicure parties. It's just so girly and cute. It just comes with a few things. You guys, but I love the idea. And a lot of times these kits just kind of invoke the idea of, let's do this themed event, and it really gives girls something to do. It really keeps them busy. On Monday, I was in Five Below, you guys, and of course I gravitated towards the stuffed animals because I saw this beautiful blue cactus, and near the blue cactus, it was like a blue cactus pillow, super cute. Near the cactus were these gray and brown llamas, and they are really, really soft and nice, and they're just a really nice size. I think these are definitely worth it for $5. And then I saw the scented kitties. This little kitty is so silky and squeezable. She is coconut scented and she smells really nice. There was also a brown dog, and the fur really felt kind of like animal hair. It was kind of like a curly haired brown dog in caramel scented or caramel scented. It was such a nice fragrance. I liked the coconut better than the caramel, but they both smelled really nice. And then there's this one that I found here online. This is the Party Cake Scented Poodle Plush, and I didn't see any of those in the store. I really wish I would have, because I definitely would have given this one a smell too. But I think these are super cute for like little surprise gifts for your kids or nieces or nephews, great birthday presents. And I just love the novelty of them being scented because kids love everything scented. I still love everything scented. And I think that came from my childhood because there were like so many scented things when I was a kid. And those were always some of my like funnest memories of those toys. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me and this online shop with me at Five Below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.